How to use EveryDollar budget app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply get this particular application from either Play Store or App Store, and after getting it, install it, then open it up. You need to create your account, and this is how your account will look like. Over here, you need to provide the income that you are earning on monthly basis, and after that your monthly income will be shown. Then you can add all the different expenses that you do on monthly basis, like groceries, restaurants, or the rent, or any other expense for that matter. After you provide all the expenses over here, you would be able to see what is the amount that you are left with, and after that you can plan different emergency funds or something that you want to purchase. You can put that particular fund towards that, and this way you would be able to plan all the financial goals accordingly, and everything can be seen on this particular app quite easily. You would also be able to do some more stuff on this particular application, like you would be able to track your expenses and reduce them. If you know your expenses, then you would be able to control them in future. You can also set the due dates for your expenses and other stuff. You can also connect with different financial professionals out there in order to avail financial services through this particular app. You can also upgrade to premium in order to avail some of the features that will help you utilize your finances in a better way on this particular application. So this was all about the EveryDollar application. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.